Good morning, students. Today we are doing exercise 9.3. In each of the exercise from 1 to 5, form a differential equation representing the given family of curve by eliminating arbitrary constant a and b. Now listen carefully. बेटा देखिए हमें क्या करना है, फॉर्म ए डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, एक डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बनानी है बाय एलिमिनेटिंग आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट ए एंड बी. आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट ए एंड बी, जो भी कांस्टेंट हैं वो एलिमिनेट करना है बेटा. हाउ टू एलिमिनेट दीज कांस्टेंट? वी नो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कांस्टेंट फंक्शन इज ऑलवेज जीरो. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कांस्टेंट फंक्शन इज ऑलवेज जीरो. So we differentiate these equation and we will get the differential equation. After that we will get the differential equation. We differentiate these functions and eliminate the constant. Okay, and eliminate the constant by differentiating them, and we get a differential equation. Look at this. If we have two constant, then we differentiate this equation two times. If we have one constant, we differentiate the equation only one time. If we have three constant, we differentiate the equation three times. As how many constant be present there, we differentiate the function at that time. Means if we have one constant, then we differentiate the equation only one time, not by two times. Similarly, if we have two constant, we differentiate the equation only two times. If we have three constant, we differentiate the equation three times. Now first question is, as our first question is, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. He is saying find the differentiation of this, find the differential equation of this equation. How to be solved? Since there are two constant, so we differentiate this equation by two times. Firstly, differentiate equation with respect to x. Differentiate equation both side with respect to x, with respect to x. Then what will be there? X by a, you know that differentiation of x by a is 1 by a, plus y by b. What is the differentiation of this? You know that is dy by dx is equal to, what is the constant of function differentiation? You know 0. Now put it here. That is, this implies what will be there? 1 by b dy by dx is equal to 1 by a, come to this side, become minus 1 by a. Now dy by dx is equal to minus, this will come this side, minus b by a. Now differentiate again. Now again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So what will happen? That will come d square y by dx square is equal to, what is the constant function derivative? You know 0. So this is our required differential equation. This is our required differential equation. Now in same manner, if we do the second question, that is y square is equal to a into b square minus x square, b square minus x square. Since there are two arbitrary constants, so multiply this equation firstly inside it. What we will get? That is y square is equal to, multiply this equation inside it, a square b square minus ax square. We know if there are two constants, we differentiate this equation by 2 times. Okay, firstly differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Both sides. What you will get? That is y square differentiation is 2y. Now what is the differentiation of y? You know dy by dx is equal to. What is the differentiation of a square b square? This is 0 minus. What is the differentiation of ax square? That is 2ax. That is 2ax. Now rewrite it. You will get 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2ax. This will come, this implies 2y by 2x dy by dx is equal to minus a. Minus a. 2 से 2 cancel out. What will be left? This implies y by x dy by dx is equal to minus a. We just simply abstract the constant from the variable. Why? Because the derivative of constant function is always 0. So again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Both sides. What you will get? That is, we have y by x dy by dx is equal to minus a. Now this is our first function and this is our second function. You know first function as it is. What is the derivative of dy by dx? That is d square y by dx square plus second function as it is, that is dy by dx. What is the derivative of first function? Again this will come u by v, that is u by v. So apply u by v method, that is v square x square x as it is dy by dx minus y as it is, x का derivative you know very well 1 is equal to 0. Rewrite the equation, that is y by x d square y by dx square plus, multiply this equation inside it. You will get x to x cancel out, 1 by x dy by dx complete whole square minus y by x square dy by dx. Since there is no constant and this is a differential equation of order 2 and degree 1, of order 2 and degree 1. In same manner, if we do the third question, that is y is equal to a e raised to the power 3x, a e raised to the power 3x plus b e raised to the power minus 2x, e raised to the power minus 2x. Since there are two arbitrary constants, that is a and b, so differentiate this equation 2 times. But how will do it? Simply, firstly differentiate, this is our first equation, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. What you will get? You get that is dy by dx or y1 or y dash. You write it in any form. What is the differentiation of this? You know a e raised to the power 3x का derivative, a e raised to the power 3x, e raised to the power 3x derivative, e raised to the power 3x into 3x का derivative बेटा 3a minus, in same manner it will come minus 2b e raised to the power minus 2x, minus 2b e raised to the power minus 2x. This is our second equation. Now, how to eliminate a? As elimination method, we do it in class 10. How this be possible? Multiply equation 1 by either 2 or 3 by 2 and add into 1, add into second equation. Now what will be the second equation? That is dy by dx is equal to 3a e raised to the power 3x minus 2b e raised to the power minus 2x. If we multiply this equation by 2 and add this, that will become 2y, multiply equation 1 by 2 is equal to 2a e raised to the power 3x plus 2b e raised to the power minus 2x. Now adding these equations, you know this will be cross out and this will come 3 plus 2, that is 5a dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 5a e raised to the power 3x. Now only 5a will be constant and left, so put it there. This implies 5a is equal to, will become dy by dx plus 2y divided by e raised to the power 3x, e raised to the power 3x. Now again differentiating on both sides with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Apply u by v here, u by v here. When we differentiate it, apply u by v. What is our u? You know that is dy by dx plus 2y. And what is our v? That is e raised to the power 3x. Differentiation of du by dx, du by dx. What is this? dy by dx का differentiation with respect to x you know very well, d square y by dx square plus 2y का differentiation 2 into dy by dx. In same manner, if we differentiate this, that is dv by dx, what will we come? e raised to the power 3x का differentiation e raised to the power 3x, but 3x का differentiation you know very well 3. Okay, put these value here. What we will get? The result 5a derivative is 0 is equal to v square, that is e raised to the power 3x का derivative बेटा, that is e raised to the power 3x complete whole square into e raised to the power 3x, derivative of this is d square y by dx square, derivative of u, d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx, d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx minus dy by dx plus 2y as it is, dy by dx plus 2y as it is into 3e raised to the power 3x, 3e raised to the power 3x. Now you know very well this will come to this side and will become 0. Our answer will be e raised to the power 3x is common from all the side. E raised to the power 3x is common. What you will get? That is d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx minus 3 dy by dx plus minus 6y. 2 dy by dx minus 3 dy by dx. This implies e raised to the power 3x d square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 6y is equal to 0, and this will come to this side and become 0. In same manner, if we do the fourth question, what you will get? Y is equal to e raised to the power 2x and a plus bx. Simply, since there are two arbitrary constants, we differentiate this equation by 2 times and eliminate these two constants. Okay, firstly take e raised to the power 2x there. What will be this? Y by e raised to the power 2x. Just simply what we will do, we do the variable part extract from the constant. Variable part extract from the constant. Why? Because after doing this, when we differentiate the function, the constant function derivative will become 0. The constant function derivative will become 0 and our constant is be eliminated. So now differentiate on both sides with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You know this will come u by v, so it will come e raised to the power 2x complete whole square and e raised to the power 2x there, u by v square and v du by dx, that is dy by dx minus y as it is, differentiation of e raised to the power 2x, you know as it is e raised to the power 2x into 2 is equal to a का डेरिवेटिव बेटा 0 प्लस bx डेरिवेटिव will become b. Okay, so our equation will reformed into, if we write it in another manner, e raised to the power 2x dy by dx divided by e raised to the power 2x complete whole square minus 2y e raised to the power 2x divided by e raised to the power 2x complete whole square is equal to b. This will be cross out this will be cross out this. So what will be left? This implies we have left e raised to the power 2x and dy by dx minus 2y is equal to b. Again differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Again, because we have two arbitrary constants, differentiate on both sides with respect to x. This will come, u by v. What is u? That is dy by dx minus 2y. And what is v? That is e raised to the power 2x. When we differentiate this term, this will become 0 and du by dx will come dy by dx, again differentiation, d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx. What is dv by dx? That is 2e raised to the power 2x. Just putting these value there and you will get your differential equation in the form of answer. Okay, for today that's okay. Do fifth question yourself. Tomorrow we will do next question. Okay beta, bye, take care.